The two-headed Duppy cat. Twin girls met in an accident in Mandeville, Jamaica. They died and were buried in a twin grave. Long after they were buried, a young lady and her neighbors were outside chatting and cooking at about 10 to 11 p.m. Suddenly, they heard a soft meow.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
One of the neighbors has a black and white cat, so when they heard the meow, they never take it serious. When them start share food and ready to eat, they saw a two-headed cat on the veranda and the cat look upon them and roll its eyes. One of them run away and it left, but they had headaches for the entire night. In the morning, the young lady granny called and asked her if she was tampering with anything spiritual. She told her granny no, her granny told her that a Duppy woman dreamed her and said that they disrespected her twin daughters. The Duppy told her granny that she would have killed them if their great-grandmother was never her friend. From that night, they never cook late night or go outside that hours again.
Check out the playlist below for more.